Israel has breached international humanitarian law by not treating its prisoners, hostages, and detainees humanely. They clearly torture them and deprive them of food and necessities. They tie them up and throw them on the ground while taking selfies of them. I mean, just the use of torture by itself, as we have seen with the UNRWA employees, is a breach of international humanitarian law. Israel has breached international humanitarian law because it hasn't taken measures to protect civilians, no matter how much it lies and wants us to believe it has protected civilians. We've seen the targeted strikes on all hospitals, on schools, on refugee camps. I mean, I'm also not sure how sniping children and people in cold blood is protecting civilians. Israel has breached international humanitarian law because it has not protected the humanitarian aid workers or the workers in general, like the medical staff, the nurses, the doctors. How many journalists have been murdered? How many doctors have been executed? How many UN workers have been killed? And those that are facilitating the food trucks and helping out with the logistics. It would be the biggest slap in the face, the most hypocritical thing to do for Biden's administration to continue to supply weapons and funding to a country that so visibly breaches international humanitarian law. It's visible. We see it. Tell me again how Democrats are stand-up people who do the right thing.